Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this smartband. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down. Oh, my bad. Scroll down through settings, find the option called About and tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called SN, and this is the serial number of our smartband, the letters and numbers. And once you're done checking the serial number, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, and that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.